Hey guys, welcome back to 3G Video. Today we have a special video for you because I got a box in the mail and we're going to test it out. You may have seen some of the footage from it in some previous videos, but today we're going to actually have the unboxing and the reveal that we have it, even though you probably have already kind of noticed. So let's get started with today's video. So I bought a drone. We're going to open it up here. I have a feeling we're gonna have to get it on a charger before we can fly it. So I wanna get it open and then we will fly it later whenever I have time. So let's get this thing opened up. We have the drone box right here. And then I did order extra propellers just because, you know me, just on the safe side. So I got the DJI Mini 2 SE. This is one of the beginner style drones. This is my first drone. So I wanted to get something that if the worst did happen, it wasn't going to be the biggest deal in the world. I mean, obviously don't want to lose it, don't want to hurt it or anything, of course, but just wanted to be on the safe side, and this would be a great drone to start off with. All right, so first impressions here. DJI always does a great job with their packaging. We have the drone itself right here. Man, this thing is light. Got the cover on it. It's already got blades and everything attached. We're gonna open that. And then I believe all the batteries and stuff should be underneath it here. Okay, we have our controller, which we'll have to use the phone with the controller. And then, all right, so it came with a couple extra props. We have a cable for data. These go into the controller to connect with the phone for flying. This is our controller. Seems pretty standard for what I've looked up on drone stuff. Okay guys, we got the battery kind of charged up, at least enough. Have the drone down here on the ground, and I'm gonna try to fly it for the first time. I'm excited to see how this goes down. I have my phone in the controller. I don't know. They say that these are fairly easy, so hopefully this is easy. Okay, I think we're ready for first takeoff. It has like an auto takeoff feature, so we're gonna just use that real quick. See what it does. Okay, that's pretty simple. It just hit that, and it made a new home point, so I can go up by pushing this one. And down. Pretty simple. Okay. Cool. Yay. Okay, we have our gimbal up here. Actually recording now, so that's good. Okay, now I gotta land it. So we're gonna come back. Well, there we go. Well, that was our first flight. That was pretty simple. It was walking through a tutorial, so it didn't let it go full speed, I don't think. It was only going 2 meters a second. I think it can do like 16 or something like that. I think it'll go pretty quick. Alright, so I would definitely say our first test flight was a success. So today we're going to try to take a little bit longer flight. Got batteries charged up. I want to take this thing out just for a stroll. Still getting used to actually flying it. And go for that. And then maybe take another flight this evening if we get time to do some sunset stuff. And actually try to get some cinematic shots. I don't know. We'll see. But let's go for another flight. Take this thing off. Alright, so I have two camera angles, which is pretty cool because I have the drone in the air flying right over here. Let's take it out for a cruise. try to use some of this battery life and go fly a little bit distance around here at my house. Okay, so we are approaching 150 feet, which pretty up there, honestly. Like that is up there. We can see downtown Terre Haute. That is crazy. Just to think how far we can see. We're gonna try to spin here nice and easy. Take a look around. We are at 250 feet. Man, that is wild. We can go up even farther. Let's see what this looks like. All the way up to almost 400 feet. My goodness, that you can see a long ways off there. I'm not gonna make you guys see the whole thing here while we're flying, but this is entertaining for me at least. So look down, we are over my neighbor's house still, so let's move ourselves forward so we can land properly back at our house. We're still at 60%, so yeah, we can definitely get some long flights out of this. Hopefully in some areas that we don't lose transmission and such. We'll walk out here. We are back at the house. This is one thing that this drone is going to struggle with just a little bit, is the darks, the shadows, and the highlights, differentiating between those, because it has a little bit smaller of a sensor. That's okay though, because this is very good for us, our first drone, trying to figure this stuff out. Oh, this is so cool. And just like that, we have a flight in hand. Okay guys, we have made it to the park. It is evening. We have a sunset. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna try to do some more cinematic things here in the park. We had some long distance stuff. We had the first flight, of course. So we're gonna try to do a little bit of cinematic stuff. I have to really be watching for branches and trees and such. So we're gonna try to find a couple subjects to pinpoint on and do some cool stuff. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Hopefully it's really good. So let's get it up in the air. We might do 2 locations here. I don't know. Let's see. Sometimes we forget the beauty of the places that we live, especially when we go traveling. We see all these crazy places that are very beautiful in their own right, and we get awed by that. But then we come home and we see what we have here, and it is truly beautiful. And to see it from a different angle is so cool. Hopefully we're going to bring a ton of that to you guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed it in some of the past videos with the whole time warp thing. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys next time.